Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the device. This avoids interruptions. First, plug into power and join a reliable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Next, back up your important data, photos, contacts, and app settings, either to cloud storage or a computer because updates can fail. Once done, clear temporary files and free roughly 3 to 5 GB of space. Make sure background apps are closed. Now open Settings and navigate to System Update to check for the latest Android build. You'll see the update download begin. Monitor the progress percentage so you know it's moving. While the package downloads, the system may verify integrity. Let that finish without interrupting. Once downloaded, the installer prepares files. Choose whether to schedule the reboot for later or install immediately. If you pick immediate, your device will reboot into recovery, apply the update, then restart. Make sure you don't press power or remove the battery. Any interruption could corrupt the install and require. After the update completes, you'll sign back in and let apps optimize. Some apps update in the background. If performance feels sluggish, clear app caches and reboot once more. If the device won't boot or is stuck in a loop, boot to safe mode to uninstall troublesome apps and only use factory reset if necessary. Remember that erases data. Once stable, restore your backup and verify your accounts and security settings. If problems persist, contact device support with your model and build number ready.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.